My video guide will help you to remove the fake and scary alert that is named Microsoft Windows Virus Alert +1 844 548 2182. This is a totally faulty alert. It is not related to Windows or Microsoft. And this telephone number quoted in the alert, +1 844 548 2182, is a fake number. It is not associated with Windows or with Microsoft. These pop-ups that you now see on your screen may be the result of some adware enabled in your system. The adware may function as some standalone application, or the adware may work through your browser, through some browser extension, or through some misleading pop-ups that may be the part of the browser. First thing you should do is to carefully check the control panel of your computer, and if you find any suspicious programs here on the list, uninstall them. If you locate something suspicious, get rid of it. Considering checking the list of your browser extensions, go to the menu, More Tools, then choose Extensions. If you find any extensions here that are not really familiar to you, get rid of them. You may also see these ads popping up in the right part of the computer screen. They also need to be blocked because very often they are not decent and they may point you to a lot of shady websites. To block them, to remove these multiple advertisements, we recommend researching your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get its fresh version on this page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and start researching your device with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The program is initially in the trial mode, so in the trial mode only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database. After that, it will start scanning, researching, and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of detecting any threats, including adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, and other threats. We recommend you to upgrade to the premium license in order to neutralize all these threats automatically, and this is the best way to make sure your system is always protected in the future.